As our nation takes leaps towards a cashless economy, you can bank on Indian Bank to be a partner in digital banking adoption. Of its many products and services, USSD service is one with many benefits. USSD means Unstructured Supplementary Service Data. Indian Bank, your telecom operator, and NPCI are the three parties among which the USSD operation takes place. This technology uses the standard GSM mobile network channels to transmit information. The benefits of USSD mobile banking system are: works on any mobile, even on a regular feature phone. So, no need for a smartphone to transact digitally. Works without any internet connectivity. Connects and facilitates transaction by simply dialing *99#. Enables balance inquiries, statement print, fund transfer within the bank as well as other banks, and 24/7 IMPS facility. In this video, we take you through the process of using USSD services in a step-by-step fashion. We suggest you keep your phone handy to try it along. Step 1. Registration. To use the USSD service, your mobile number should be linked to one customer information file only. Please dial *99# from the mobile handset. Select your preferred language number from the 12 languages displayed and press send. Enter on your mobile screen the bank's name, or the first 4 letters of IFSC, or the first 3 letters of your bank's short name, or 2-digit bank numeric code, example IDIB or 58. After pressing the send button, linked account numbers will be displayed to choose a preferred option from. Now your registration is complete and you can receive money to your mobile number. For any subsequent transactions, the bank menu will be automatically displayed and you do not have to input your bank details every single time. Step 2. Setting or resetting UPI PIN for USSD banking. Now to send or collect money, please dial *99# and set your UPI PIN. From the menu screen, select the option number of UPI PIN and press send. Then select option to set or forget UPI PIN and press send. For setting the UPI PIN, please enter the last 6 digits of your debit card number and expiry date, separated by a single space, and press send. Now enter new PIN and press send. Re-enter UPI PIN for confirmation and press send. Now you can send money using your mobile. Step 3. Send money through USSD banking. Once you have registered your UPI, please dial *99# for a quick menu display. Please select the option number to send money and press send. Next, a menu is displayed with options for sending the money. Please select your preferred option number and press send. Please follow the subsequent instructions and complete the transaction. Step 4. Receiving money through USSD banking. Once you have registered your UPI, please dial *99# for a quick menu display. Please select the option number to request money and press send. Please enter the mobile number or payment address to request money from a UPI registered customer and press send. Please enter the amount of money to be collected and press send. Congratulations! Your request to collect money is successful. If you are a customer from whom the money is requested, following is the process of transaction. Please dial *99# from your mobile phone. A menu will be displayed with the following options. Enter 4 or 6-digit UPI PIN to confirm, or enter 2 to reject the payment request received, or enter 3 to skip and go back to bank home menu screen. Please remember, once you have dialed *99# and are within the interface, make sure to respond within 10 seconds from the displayed menu, or you'll have to start the process all over again. In your journey towards digital banking, Indian Bank shall always stand by you.